Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn Doona vulnerability analysis tool in Linux. Doona is a fork of brute force exploit detector tool, that is PDBAD. BAD is a program which is designed to check daemons for potential buffer overflows, format string bugs, etc. Doona is Australian for do it. It adds a significant number of features or changes to BAD. Let's open up terminal and type Doona -h. Network fuzzer forked from PAD. Basic usage of Doona command .doona.pl -m -m module. Options. Let's see the options -m module, that is finger, FTP, HTTP, IMAP, IRC, and so on. -t target, host to check, -p port, -p port to connect to, and so on. Type nmap google.com. It will take few seconds. Here you can see that HTTP and HTTPS ports are open. Let's use the HTTP plugin to fuzz the target, stopping after 5 cases. Here you can see that buffer overflow testing is started. Max request 5 complete. That's it in this video on Doona vulnerability analysis in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.